Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix OSU skins don't appear in-game. So if you want to go ahead and fix this, basically if you have imported it onto the OSU skin folder but still it's not appearing on the actual OSU in-game right here, what you want to do is to navigate through the OSU setting, and inside there's going to be the skins option. So just go ahead and search for skins. In here we have our current skin. If you want to export one, rename one, or open up the skin layout editor, you could just simply go ahead and do it. But generally inside this page, you could just click on it, which will open up this drop down menu. And then once inside, you can now select the skin that you want to apply. So for example, let's go ahead and select the retro skin. So in that way, if we navigate through solo, if we click on the play button, we can now see the retro skin applied onto OSU right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.